Hey guys, Mobile Geezer. So I unboxed my OnePlus 13 on Samsung Day, so I might as well unbox my mid-range Galaxy A35 5G the day after Samsung Day. So this will be a quick first look at the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G.
Let's do this!
So the first thing is my little bonus. I didn't even realize it came with a case. So first thing in the top of the box, our usual SIM tool and our usual paperwork, which we'll be filing, of course. And here's our cable. And that's all that comes in the box other than the phone. So as you can see, I got the awesome lilac. I really like that color. And let's get this little label off the back. So hopefully we'll have some power here. And I'll boot this up, put in my info, and get back to you guys. So we're all booted up, still copying apps, of course, but we can go get the case and put that on. Not what you call a rugged case, but pretty good for free, I'd say. So it pops right on, fits perfectly. And we'll check our buttons. Looks like the power button cover works fine. Our volume up and down button covers work well, but you do have to give them a good press. Up top, our tiny little microphone cutout lined up perfectly. On the bottom, our big cutout for our power speaker and microphone. On the back, raised cutout for each of our cameras and our flash. And of course, the front is raised enough that if you lay it down on the desk, you're not going to scratch up your display at all. So there's my quick first look at the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and a quick look at some specs and features. This is the 6GB RAM, 128GB version. It's $379.99 on the Samsung US website, dropped down from $399.99. And yes, they do accept trade-in, so there's some pretty good deals available there. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.